had way overcrowding. I mean, like, there was not one tooth that was straight at all. And then I was overcrowding. I'm a teacher, so me having my smile it wasn't straight. And kids notice, kids are kind of brutal. Teach 6th grade through high school, and they say what they want to. They don't have filters yet. I'm like, I really want to get this done. And she said, well, let's go do this.
Well, my top was not so bad. It was my bottom teeth they were crowding, and I always didn't have a confident smile. I would often close my mouth and not really smile.
My bottom teeth were overcrowded, so people with overcrowded teeth on the bottom, we always smile like.
I had like gaps on the side, and that's basically it. I just had like these 2 gaps in.
I had a slight overbite, slight crossbite, and crowding down here. And amazing enough, I can say it was a wonderful experience being with what I call my extended family at this practice.